Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and I have here a really important, really turbo important emergency video for you for Bitcoin. What's going on? I will show you soon in this video, only 2-3 minutes, I promise. Let's go.
System activated.
So why do I make a so important fast video, guys? Because I showed you the hash ribbons indicator, and now this signal, all we are waiting for, the big whales are waiting for, it is here. It is the buy signal of the hash ribbons indicator. It's really important now to watch this, because if we see the history, it was always a really good buy signal for Bitcoin. A little bit laggy, okay, but it was always a really good buy signal. And as long, in my opinion, as we are in this broadening rising wedge, as we are over this green line, everything is okay. I bought more Bitcoins here on this position for a long position, because I think it's possible. It's really possible to go up from here with a nice leg to the upside. But I made a stop loss also, guys. I'm buying Bitcoin here since 20,000, something like this one. And now I'm watching this. If we will lose this broadening rising wedge, I will take a little bit profit here on the downside. I will go out a bit of my trade, because it's possible to go down to 10,000 also. Remember, we are in a big M pattern. We are in a downtrend. The start point is the finish, and 10,000 is the start point of the M pattern, and 10,000 will be the target of the M pattern. So I'm prepared. I'm prepared for going down to 10,000 to buy more Bitcoins. I'm also prepared to make this nice trade to the upside, as long as we stay in this broadening rising wedge, and as long as we see a buy signal here, no recapitulation thing, nothing like this. It is a buy signal, and that's the reason why I make this important fast emergency video for you guys. So please join my live stream. Join this one here. It's on YouTube. It's on Twitch. I'm live 24 hours, 7 days a week. On Twitch, the name is Bitcoin_Biti. On YouTube, I am the Bitcoin trading informant, and you can see here everything, and you can see it now. The buy signal is here, guys. So a fast update. Thanks for watching. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I wish you the best of luck. Have a nice time. Greetings to Angry Higgins. Greetings to Crypto Sharknado. Tonka is also here from YouTube. So some guys are here. They are writing here, and I hope you will join this channel. And I say thank you to Great Viewer for resub, and I will say thank you for all guys that are supporting me. Bye.
System activated.